Hey everyone, it's Blaine Klein from Entrepreneur Takeover. Today I will quickly be covering how to edit your WordPress footer text. This will include downloading and installing a new plugin, creating a new footer text, and lastly, creating a rule to replace that footer. Head on over to your WordPress dashboard, and under plugins, we're going to search for a plugin called Real-Time Find and Replace. Go ahead and click on Install Now, and then Activate. The next thing we're going to do is create our brand new footer text, and in order to do that, we're going to type it out in a new page. So go ahead and click on Pages, and then select Add New. This is not going to be a page that we're going to publish, however, we are going to type it out in this text box under Visual. So I have already prepared what I want my new footer text to be. So I'm going to pull that up. And then I'm going to copy that one. Awesome. So as you can see, it's pretty basic. This is what it's going to look like when your visitors see this new footer. However, it is nice to do it in this box because we are able to make some edits to it. So for example, I'm going to make this a hyperlink that will allow my visitors to go back to my home page. Next, we're going to click on the text tab. That's going to give us the newly formed footer with the coding that we're going to need in order to replace the original footer. So once we have that, go ahead and copy that, and then we're going to open up the new plugin that we just downloaded. So that's going to be under Tools, and then select Real-Time Find and Replace. Paste that new footer into the Replace With box. For the Find box, we're going to go ahead and find the original footer. So for that section, we're going to actually go to visit our site, scroll to the bottom of the page, and what we're going to do is actually search for the coding behind this original footer. So right click and select View Page Source. We're going to do a search function, also known as Command F, and then search for the phrase in the footer. For me, it's proudly powered by WordPress. And then we're going to copy that footer all the way over to the end of the bracket. And then copy that to the clipboard. Head back over to the new plugin, and then paste that footer into the Find box. Click on Update Settings, and then now we're going to visit our site one more time just to make sure the changes took effect. And there's our newly formed footer, and that's also what your visitors are going to be able to see. Thank you all so much for viewing the tutorial today. If you have any sort of questions, feel free to email me or go ahead and leave a comment. Also, if you found value in the tutorial, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.